we've learned about potential energy and kinetic energy, now we're going to go deeper into potential energy. One important type of potential energy is gravitational potential energy. So what is gravitational potential energy? It is also called GPE for gravitational potential energy, but it is an energy that an object has because of its position in a gravitational field. So now that we know what gravitational potential energy is, how do we find the gravitational potential energy of an object? We use the equation GPE, or gravitational potential energy, equals m times g times h. M stands for mass. The mass of an object is to be measured in kilograms. G stands for gravitational constant. The gravitational constant is a number that is the object's acceleration due to gravity. The gravitational constant is always measured in meters per second squared and is always the same number, 9.8 meters per second squared. H stands for height. The height of the object above the ground is always measured in meters. So again, our equation to find gravitational potential energy is mass, which is in kilograms, times the gravitational constant, which is always 9.8 meters per second squared, times height, which is in meters. That gives us the gravitational potential energy, which is measured in joules. But wait, what are joules? Joules are what we use to measure the energy that is transferred to an object. Now let's try a problem ourselves. Let's say that there's a hill that is 100 meters tall. On the top of this hill, there's a human that's 55 kilograms, or about 120 pounds. What is the gravitational potential energy of this human? First, we need to find the mass, the height, and the gravitational constant for this human. So his mass, like we said before, was 55 kilograms. The height of the hill is 100 meters, and the gravitational constant is the same as always, 9.8 meters per second squared. So how do we find gravitational potential energy again? That's right, mass times gravitational constant times height. So our mass, 55 kilograms, times our gravitational constant, 9.8 meters per second squared, times our height, 100 meters, gives us the gravitational potential energy of our human. This gravitational potential energy is equal to 53,900 joules. Now you know how to find the gravitational potential energy of an object. Great job, guys!